How long does it take to learn sign language? Although this is a very common question asked by almost every sign language student, the answer is it depends. There is no definitive answer to this. Why? Because BSL is a language. Just like any other language, the time it takes for a person to gain fluency in BSL depends mainly on that person. Some people are fast learners, some are busy, some have attention deficit, some don't have the luxury of practicing, and some are just lazy. All these factors can affect the learner of any language. But I can give a general guideline. Learn British Sign Language at your own pace. In the case of courses accredited by CPD, they usually run around a few hours long. You can just complete the whole thing in 2 or 3 days if you want. But since they are just videos, you can learn them at your own pace and accessible from any devices. One other benefit of these kinds of courses is that the videos can be rewound however many times as you want. If you're a slow learner, if you have a hard time paying attention, or if you're busy with so many other things, then courses like ours are perfect for you. Since you will have lifetime access to the pre-recorded video courses, you have plenty of time to take it slow and learn the language at your own pace. Learn British Sign Language for a job. However, if you're learning BSL to become an interpreter, a communication support worker or a sign language teacher, then you can't control the pace of your BSL education. It will primarily be dictated by the qualification awarding body like Signature. As stated before, Signature is the most recognized accreditation body on BSL. In their case, you've to attend a class for a fixed amount of hours before you can attend the exam. In their assessment system, live or physical classes are called guided learning hours or GLH. GLH also includes the time you spend on assessment. Then there are additional study hours that include private study, homework, practices, etc. So from Level 1 BSL to Level 6 BSL, the GLH and the additional study hours change a lot. Let me show it to you on a table so that you can take a look at the whole thing at a glimpse. BSL Level 1, total 90 hours, guided learning 64 hours, additional study 26 hours. BSL Level 2, total 150 hours, guided learning 100 hours, additional study 50 hours. BSL Level 3, total 250 hours, guided learning 130 hours, additional study 120 hours, equivalent to A-level. BSL Level 4, total 300 hours, guided learning 180 hours, additional study 120 hours. BSL Level 6, total 360 hours, guided learning 180 hours, additional study 180 hours, equivalent to degree level. As you can see from the table, the time it'll take for you largely depends on how the classes are arranged for you. BSL Level 1 and 2 will not take much time for you to complete. But BSL Level 3 will generally take an academic year. After you complete Level 3 BSL, you can work on jobs like communication support worker. You can jump straight to BSL Level 6 from BSL Level 3. But it isn't recommended. Take the BSL Level 4 course to bridge the gap in your knowledge. After you complete BSL Level 6, you'll earn a degree-level qualification. This will enable you to work in professions like sign language teaching or interpreting. BSL Level 6 also takes about 1 to 1.5 academic years to complete.